So today I'm going to show you how to take a selfie using main camera on Vivo phone, Vivo Fold phone, Vivo X45, Vivo X4321. You have to do this. So when you are in this mode, you cannot find the selfie. You cannot find a button to use the main camera to take a selfie. But when you flip like this, you will see it here. So tap on it. Tap on it, it will show this option. See that? So you have to switch to selfie first in order to do that. So use rear HD selfie like this. See that? Let me high up my face to take screenshot. So use that. So it will flip like this. See that? You have to use the selfie first in order to flip to use rear. So now you cannot use in the screen. See that? So this is how you take a selfie using main camera on Vivo Fold phone, Fold 5, X45, X43, X42, X01. That's how you do it.